don't know me, je m'appelle Mademoiselle Beata Matasane. All the way from Leribia in there Mountain Kingdom, Lesotho, honey. So in this video, or in today's video, I'm just going to tell you how I made something like 30k plus through turning my own passion, or my passions, my passions into business. I have two means. If you would love to learn how I did that, or how you could also do that, honey, please stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to share this video, please. So I'm just going to tell you, and it's somehow known to people that for you to start a business you need capital. Who said that? Because they're not telling you the truth. I'm gonna spill the tea. So this is how the first method started. Well, it's not even the first. It's in no particular order, actually. As you know, if you don't know, no problem. I'm telling you, I am so much passionate about sign language. Sign language is something that I love with all my heart, and I don't want to leave this language. It's my life. So I was like, okay, what is a gap? Like, as you know, some students, if you are asked by your lecturer or your teacher to conduct a research, you know that you're going to have to find a research gap between what you want and between what you want and what has been done by the other people prior. So I was like, okay, there has been, and there's still gonna be, a lot of deaf community, and there are some sign language interpreters, including myself, and there are institutions that offer services like banks, schools, televisions, and whatsoever. So I was like, okay, how can I be useful to this? So I was like, child, say no more. So I reached out to multiple institutions. I sold them my idea. I was like, hey guys, I gave them my profile. I told them who I am, what I do, and what I would love to do. And I told them that I would love so much to work hand in hand with you, because I can see that you guys offer services to all kind of people. But here is the problem. There are some deaf communities who access your services, or who need to access your services, but the problem is there is no mediator between those two. Can you guys please make me your mediator? And most of them were like, say no more, child. And with some of the companies, yes, they rejected and still rejected and will still do reject, but some will accept and continue accepting and continue accepting. What you just need to do is like, don't ever, because those are just minor challenges. But what you have to do is focus. Focus. So I sold my ideas to, I can't say the name of the institutions that I did. So those kind of institutions accepted, and they pay me, or they paid me, and with that money I was able to like take care of myself. I was able to pay my fees for my second degree. I graduated in 2019 for honors in educational management, those who don't know. So I was kind of able to pay my fees through that money. And when lockdown was there, I was like, oh my word, how am I going to survive? Because one thing about me, yes, I still have both parents and I'm grateful to the Lord, but I'm not that kind of child who asks for money from abazali, no, or from anyone. Actually, I love doing things on my own, and I love having that pride, and I'll be like, yeah, this is me who bought this, having that pride alone. So yeah, that's how I did it. So I was like, oh my god, this is lockdown, and how am I going to survive? But I was able to survive, because thing is, the kind of work that I do, the interpreting work in the university, I do interpreting work in different departments, and they pay me. In the university, it doesn't give me a salary. It just depends on when o sebeditse matsatsi a makae, and then you will get paid then. So hi nearly lockdown I get bana ba sekolo ba ne ba dutse fatshe, so you know what that means. There's not going to be salary at all. So this other way that I used to turn my passion into business was still able to give me this other way. Is actually not way, it's not one, it's two. It did what it helped me survive, and also through the Lord, because I just couldn't have made it. Like I even feel like it's even more lively, it's even more like who handle right now fita pele, because I can do things lo fita pele ka mokgwa ke ditse. I don't know why. Maybe the Lord is the only one who can just respond gore na handle what is the reason. So I am also doing something also, or I'd rather say I was rejected by the bank because I'm a part-time person, and how part-time you're not given a loan from the bank. I was rejected by the school because yes, going part-time, so I needed something like 16k, approximately 16k. Like I needed it instantly for something else that I'll tell you Hannah going to say. So I didn't know where to get that money, but my faith was just so money. I just knew that I'm going to get this money. How, I don't know, but I managed to get it through this way. I turned my passion into business. So I think you can also do that too. And also the other one is by selling clothes. Honey, you do not need money to start a business. Like I'm telling you, but well, I know there's some kind of businesses that need money, but I think there are very few, very few. Some of them don't need you capital. Stop sitting. You have a business idea, a very big business idea, but how to not because you don't have money. Here is what happens. I'm just going to tell you. If you be like to investors, I have this beautiful idea or this beautiful business, I want to do 1 2 3 4, they'll be like, okay, so far so thing, and you be like, Luto. Then sometimes it's not easy for them to take you seriously because how so it's later. So it's best to investor or also knowledge something in hand. So here's what I did, and please, this is what I showed, this is what I'm showing you, because that also helped me so much. Because I was like, okay, they were like, okay, so where have you worked? I was like, I've worked here, and they're like, wow. But trust me, back then things were not so okay in terms of money, because there are those institutions or those people who fail to understand the kind of job that we do, and they underpay us, and they still do, you know. One is not underpaying me, the other one is underpaying. Yeah, and they don't understand. It's like but hey, that's not where I am. So I was on this other second mean. This one, this is how you can do it, or how I did it. If you want to sell clothes like I do, oh, by the way, this is from Ladies Hope, and Ladies Hope, honey. In fact, everything I give the links from Ladies Hope. What I did, or what I can advise you to do if you want to start a clothing business, you don't need capital, like I said, but what you need to do is talk to people who have made it. I suppose it's true we are in a very mean world, but it's not like everyone is mean. I mean, it's not like everyone is mean. For instance, myself, there are so many people that I'm so proud of who asked me, the way my customers actually, who asked me how I do this kind of business, where I stock, how I still manage to continue selling even this time, yeah, COVID. And I was able to give them that response like for free, and I just felt so happy. And I think this is one of the reasons why I am blessed, because I just didn't knowledge. No, I'm not, especially to my customers. No, I'm not. I even like it when the girls do it, you know, flaga, you know, by so the money. I'll be like, child, I'm happy I assisted you. So what you can do is, after asking people, then you need to collect your orders. I'm just natural to get order would collect like a deposit abon. You price according to how you see, okay, this item will give me some profit, and haki and like haki. So you make them to order with 50% deposit or even more, in such a way that even if someone says achakina 50, I have 30, but the amount of money you got about yona is kind of less. It's lesser than the amount orderela yona ile chelete ya how. It's best that way. So if you have any other questions, I am here. Your girl is here at your service. I would love to assist, and I would love to see us shine and shine and shine. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again next time, God willingly. I love you.